In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Google Chrome browsing data into ChatGPT Atlas. If you want to bring over your browsing information from Chrome so everything feels more familiar and convenient inside Atlas, this process is very straightforward. The main goal here is to import the data you want, confirm the transfer, and then quickly review everything to make sure it came across correctly. Start by opening ChatGPT Atlas on your device. Once Atlas is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the main screen and that the app is fully loaded before moving on. This helps avoid interruptions during the import process. Next, go to the browser settings or the import section inside Atlas. Depending on the version you're using, this option may be located in a settings menu, a browser preferences area, or a section specifically labeled for importing data. If you don't see it right away, just look carefully through the available menus until you find the import option. When you find it, choose the option called Import Browsing Data. This is the tool Atlas uses to bring in information from another browser. After that, select Google Chrome as the source. This tells Atlas exactly where the data is coming from, which is important if your device has multiple browsers installed. Make sure Chrome is the selected source before continuing to the next screen. You'll then be asked to choose what you want to import. This may include things like bookmarks, browsing history, or saved data. Take a moment here and select only the categories you actually want transferred. If you only need bookmarks, for example, you can keep the import focused. If you want a more complete setup, you can choose multiple types of browsing data. Once your selections are made, confirm the import. This starts the transfer process from Chrome into Atlas. At this point, Atlas will begin copying the selected information, so all you need to do is wait for the process to finish. Depending on how much data you're importing, this may take a few moments. When the import is complete, the final step is to check Atlas and make sure the Chrome data was imported correctly. Look through the imported bookmarks, history, or saved information and verify that everything you selected appears as expected. If it does, then the import was successful and you're all set. That's it. You've now imported your Google Chrome browsing data into ChatGPT Atlas.